Given right triangle XYZ with measure angle x is equals to 45 degrees and xz is equals to 8. So find yz and xy. What are the given? Triangle XYZ is a right triangle. The measure of angle x is 45 degrees and the length of xz is 8. So, since we are given that triangle XYZ is a right triangle, thus by the definition of a right triangle, there is one angle that measures 90 degrees. But which one? As we can see from our picture, there is a small square drawn within the angle formed by the two intersecting lines. This square is a visual representation of the 90-degree angle, indicating that the lines are perpendicular to each other, so the measure of angle Z is 90 degrees.
Since one angle is 90 degrees and the other is 45 degrees, then this triangle is what we call 45-45-90 right triangle, or also known as an isosceles right triangle. Now, according to the 45-45-90 theorem, in a right triangle whose angles measure 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, the legs are congruent and the hypotenuse has a length equal to the product of the length of the leg and the square root of 2. We must first identify which are the legs and which is the hypotenuse. Now, looking at the figure, we can conclude that the line segment XZ and the line segment YZ are the legs, and the line segment XY is the hypotenuse. Therefore, using the 45-45-90 theorem, if the measure of the leg XZ is equal to 8, then the measure of the leg YZ is also equal to 8. And the measure of the hypotenuse XY is equal to 8 times the square root of 2, or approximately 11.31.